Why is my ceiling fan making noise? If your ceiling fan's making noise, there is likely a problem. Fortunately, there are several simple steps you can take to diagnose the issue and make repairs. Some ceiling fans will make a clicking noise. This is typically caused by the fan blades rubbing against the housing of the fan. Some fans will make a humming noise. This is typically caused by vibrations from the motor. Ceiling fans making a buzzing noise often can be due to wobbly blades. Sometimes fans will make a grinding noise. This can be caused by unbalanced blades or bearings going bad in the motor. A ceiling fan making a rattling noise is likely an indication of something has come loose. Most of these issues can be resolved by simply cleaning the fan blades, ensuring all screws and connections are tight, and making sure that the mounting bracket is properly secured.